Hey everybody, Chris Honig here in MarineMax Wrightsville Beach on this beautiful sunny day. I'd like to show you our brand new in stock 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. Such a versatile boat for our area for sandbars, water sports, and entertaining lots of people on board very comfortably. I'm going to start in the back of the transom. We have our upgraded motors, the white Mercury V8 outboard, 300 horsepower in this boat, plenty of power and torque to get your wakeboarders up on plane, and then when you're maxed out with a lot of people on board, easy on plane too with this boat. Such a fun boat to drive too. As you'll notice, we have some great swim platform area on the back here with our sea deck in gray. This also is outfitted with our stone interior and then a beautiful gray hull as well. One of my favorite features on board, about to show you, is the slide track seating, which is unique to any boat on the market, especially the 250 or 25-foot boat market. But with a slide of a switch, this will slide back, and then now you've opened up massive swim platform area on here. Easy access to a cooler on board with terrain. You got your sound system, got your secondary fusion head unit, battery chargers for your phone, and 12 volt for anything else for water toys. So really fun area back here. And then with the flip of a button, everything will slide back when you're underway, and now you have all your massive cockpit space back here for lots of comfortable seating when you're on your next destination. A couple of key features to point out here: we have freshwater shower, and we have easy access to your battery switch, because nobody likes digging under seats to try to gain access to that. Above me is a huge bimini top and sports tower. It's a great shade coverage for everybody on board, and then with an easy access to fold up, and then the tower will fold down to get you in dry storage or underneath fixed bridges very easily on this boat. Some nice features with the seats. When you're anchored up, captain and your passenger seats will flip, and so now you have really nice reverse lounge seating. You have two tables on board, so one will hook into a bracket here, so you can have some great happy hour entertainment, and then a flip of the seats back, and you're ready to go underway. My second favorite feature on this boat is a very nice cabin on board, or day cabin per se on board. Everything's shifted over to the starboard side, and then a cushion will come up with your head, which will be a pump out head on board. So nice space for small kids to get out of the elements and take naps, as well as adults too. On your helm, we have the upgraded 12-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter, beautiful acrylic dash followed all throughout the helm, easy tilt steering wheel, and then Mercury throttle system with the push button start and active engine trim all integrated into that system. This is the upgraded Fusion stereo system on board, so you have an extra sub and amp and additional speakers. Gives you some great entertaining on here. With everything pushed over, we have nice easy access to the bow of the boat with some great seating up here for 6 people. Very comfortable reverse and forward seating while you're underway. And then another table will mount here to have another zone for happy hour up front. Another nice feature with the 250 SDX is easy access to your anchor locker, and then a nice bow ladder to push up onto the sandbar and get everybody off in the wintertime, or easy access in the summertime for getting everything off the boat. But great boat. Your overall length is a little over 27 feet, 8'6" beam, just maximizing seating. A lot of fun to drive and a lot of fun for family and friends at your favorite sandbar. So if you'd like to see this Sea Ray or any others, please give me a call, Chris Honig, at 910-256-8100, and look forward to getting you out in the water today.